welcome to Noxyb TV channel. In this video, we're going to show you around of Anambra State, in particularly Agulu Road to Agulu. We're going to show you what Soludo has been doing in Anambra State. It's really something to emulate from other governors. Sit back and relax, and please don't hesitate to comment, like, and share the video. Thank you so much. As you continue to come back, we appreciate you so much.
I'm one of them. I'm with Soludo na Ahama here.
Enjoy.
Soludo the solution. No what the political solution na Anambra State and keep by as well. We have no news on about one is with this Agulu. On your sin, if I am mad, Adrian, and I am not one maybe one answer one. And the Zen uses word. As I can make a video no as good and all I got on Anambra State. They want to investment home, not one never wage. Ibakuzoki Gamoka, everywhere is well planned now. I can look for all I can get one new here. I'll tell you quick. I'll tell you my God, even I get teacher street light there. So in my business, they were not. Soludo the solution. Anambra. Man, noise pollution. I can get one woman. On top of course, we're going to look for lobby. We're going to nature. Now, get an angle look lobby. We'll tell them go see I get there. As na Kulabiga, for third major city in Anambra State. Now, I'll see. So I cannot need the side. I'm a candy man. About 1 year free Gigi. And he said, I go kind of as now.
I'm on the highest 20 minutes max without police. You get me.
Some of when you see your kanga, the Noxyb TV. I want to subscribe because one by a day, you will malifana again.